Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And in this menu you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen, like this. You can look for the watch face you like, and once you find it you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize watch faces, so under the watch face you will see the custom button, you can tap on it. And this allows you to change some things like background, color, and function. Basically function is the widgets on the information on the watch face. You can tap on one of them and select something from the list. And once you're done changing the watch face, press the crown button to save it and apply it. You can also open the watch face menu through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, press the crown button, find the settings icon in the menu, tap on it, then tap on watch face and home, and here tap on watch face. It will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through it, look for the watch face you like, and then tap on it to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the Huawei Health application to change the watch face. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with my watch. Okay, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health application. In the app we can tap on devices, select our HUAWEI Watch Fit 4, and here scroll down, and under the watch you should see the watch faces category. Tap on more. It will open the watch face store. You can look for something you like and download it. Of course, as you can see, some of them are not free, you need to pay for them, but there is also a category called free. You can select it and you have free watch faces you can download for your watch. So find the watch face you like, and once you find it, tap on it, and then you can tap on this install button to download and install the watch face. Like this. And if you want to change the watch face from the list, from the watch faces that already are installed on your watch, you need to go back to the main page of watch face store, tap on mine, then tap on I believe device. No, not device, my bad. My faces here, and then tap on manage local watch faces. It will open the list of watch faces installed on your watch. You can find the one you like and you want to change to it, and then tap on it, and then tap on apply, and the watch face will be changed. And after you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.